In this video, I want to talk about empathy, but in a very different perspective. हम चाहते हैं कि empathy top down flow करे, right? We want our leaders to be empathetic. But the question is, are we being empathetic towards our leaders? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are two new videos published here every day. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट एम्पथी, एक्सपेक्टेशन ये होती है कि जो लीडर्स हैं वो अपने टीम मेंबर्स के टुवर्ड्स एम्पथेटिक हों और एक मस्ट हैव क्वालिटी, मस्ट हैव ट्रेट के रूप में की तरह से हम एम्पथी को देखते हैं दैट अ लीडर हैज़ टू बी एम्पथेटिक. आई मीन इट्स अ मस्ट, इट्स अ गिवन, राइट? बट how many times do you find yourself saying, the leader is not as effective? वो समझते नहीं है हम क्या चाहते हैं, उनको क्या पता हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, उनको तो अपने हिसाब से काम करना है. He just goes on, he has it his way, right? He is unable to handle the whole situation. This is not the way it is done. He should be a little more of this and a little less of that. How quick are we to jump to conclusions and so quick to suggest, right? But I'd say before reaching conclusions, before drawing conclusions and being judgmental, bring in that empathy, for the leader as well. One, you have no idea what's going on in his life. If you think एक situation है जिसे वो effectively handle नहीं कर रहे हैं, and usually he does it, or maybe he's not able to manage things and things are going haywire, then instead of blaming, instead of questioning, doubting, can you bring in that empathy that maybe he's having some personal problems, some challenges that he's not able to deal with, certain things which need his focus there, right? And the other thing can also be that every individual has his way of dealing with things. So quite often you may end up comparing him or her, which is your current leader, to a previous leader. Oh, he used to be so amazing. He was phenomenal, He gave me a space where I could flourish, I could blossom. He would handle it this way, that way, and you start comparing. But understand, हर लीडर का अपना एक तरीका होता है काम करने का, हर इंडिविजुअल का. आपका भी, आपके कोवर्कर्स अलग तरह से काम करते हैं, आप अलग तरीके से. यदि आपको कंपेयर किया जाए, आपके लीडर्स शुरू हो जाएं आपको कंपेयर करना, आपको कैसा लगेगा? You have your own way of doing things, right? You have your own strengths and weaknesses, your likes and dislikes, and more effective ways that you function in. Same way, your leader also has his own style of doing it. There are some leaders who are quick, they just take action, and there are others who give you that space. There are some others who are little tough nuts to crack. But understand, at the core, everybody understands the language of empathy. So if you can really get that, if you could really put yourself in their shoes and think from, a place ki, maybe they are not in that frame of mind, or maybe they're going through something, and you bring in that empathy, then I think there'll be a different way, there'll be a different context that you're going to approach the whole thing from. And maybe then you will walk up to your leader, because you think then that, yes, that's your right and that's your responsibility to stand by him, to just be with him in this and maybe support him. So the whole perspective changes, and then you can walk up to him and say that, hey, if there's something I can support you with. The other day you looked a little puzzled, as if you were not there 100%, and I just wanted to let you know that I am there. और जिस भी तरह से आप चाहें मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर सकता हूँ, या इफ़ यू वांट इस वक्त ये 4 चीज़ें मैं हैंडल कर सकता हूँ. The moment context changes, your whole way of being, your action changes. But that's where I'm saying, if you bring in that empathy, rather you must bring in that empathy. It's not about top down, it's about who you are or who you want to become. So how about you bringing in that empathy for everybody around, including your leader? Hope that makes sense. And yes, go ahead, apply, implement, and do hit the like button if you found it meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.